Center of Pakistan and International Relations launched Digital Sargodha and CIT Global for the Sargodha division. Amna Malik, who is also the coordinator of Sarwar Foundation of Sargodha Division, welcomed the national and international speakers and briefed about digitalization of Sargodha Division with district administration.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My very honored guest, especially Amar Jafri Saab, who is the DG of Center of Information Technology, the chairperson of Center of Information Technology, Mrs. Zareen Amar, our very dear young entrepreneur and a very strong social activist, Ms. Sadaf Khalid, who is heading the SDG Academy, and then our friend Batarola, who always support us, and we are looking forward to seeing him in Sargodha someday, inshallah, and with Sadaf other colleagues. So I just want to explain a little bit. I don't want to take the credit of Digital Sargodha because, my motivation for the project is Amar Jafri Saab, who launched many years back, I can say almost 10 years back, e-governance and e-Pakistan. So at that time I followed him, and he wanted me to be engaged in overall e-Pakistan activities, but I requested him that I just want to concentrate on one project. And at that time, with Mrs. Zareen Amar, she was heading Center of Women Empowerment. So I was the patron in chief, and then from that we initiated the idea of the project of e-woman. And I remember that we signed an agreement with Federation of Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and later we presented this successful project in UNAPCICT.
Amar Jafri, founder Digital Pakistan, shared his 4 areas of initiatives of Digital Sargodha, comprising of emerging technologies with the collaboration of CIT Global and University Plus, and more than 100 PhDs will train students in artificial intelligence, cyber security and blockchain. He emphasized on rural incubation centers are need to be established to link startup of that area through Co-Pair Startup Pakistan initiatives will link to the world.
We must thank Amna Malik for leading from the front. So all people from Sargodha division, I must say, they must be very happy. For the benefit of Farooq from Canada and Batola from abroad, that Sargodha is very rich in terms of culture, heritage, local values. What is Digital Sargodha? Very briefly, I would like others to speak, that we will start 5 initiatives there. And this applies to every district of Pakistan. And this is the beauty of the common initiative, so that one district can compete with other districts. But if you can bear with me, if you see the European model or the American model, the states compete with each other. That's the beauty of it. So I would like Sargodha division to compete with Gujranwala division, Gujranwala division to compete with Bahawalpur division, Bahawalpur division to compete with Karachi division. So the competition should be very positive and very healthy. So what are these 5 initiatives? The first one is, and our flagship is SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals.
Awai Siddiqui project coordinator Co-Pair discussed Hum Sabka Pakistan, the youth engagement program which will create national cohesion and interfaith and intrafaith harmony. Faisal Wahab and Muhammad Ali Jinnah briefed about Varos mentoring program for youth in rural community of Sargodha.
Thank you, Amar Saab, and thank you, Ms. Amna, for allowing me to speak today. So just a few things. I have a close affinity with the city of Sargodha for many reasons. The first thing is that Sargodha is called Shahinon Ka Sheher, or City of Eagles, has close association with Pakistan Air Force, has the Pakistan Air Force Cadet College, Air Force Base Musaf, and has got lots of strategic military assets in Sargodha. So that's the first thing which comes to our mind. The second thing is that Sargodha is also amongst the 12th fastest growing cities in Pakistan. And thirdly, when the name Sargodha comes to mind, the first thing that comes to your mind is oranges or quinoas and all agriculture things. So Sargodha is famous for that. And given what I've heard in the past 15-20 minutes, it seems that in the next 3 to 4 years, Sargodha is going to be known for innovation and education. And I'm sure you guys are working on that part. So I'm really happy to know.
I really want to congratulate Mr. Amna. You're doing a wonderful job, and we are with you. And we are just a phone call away. So if you need anything from us, we'll be there to support you. So once again, I'd like to congratulate Jafri Saab, Sadaf Khalid, everyone. And again, I'll apologize because I'm outside, so maybe a little noisy here. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
International expert Bertol and Michael offer their organization services to link Sargodha community to Commonwealth, European Union and Belt and Road.
Organizing together with Michael, who I think will be speaking a bit later in this session. And it's great to be here. I was there and together with Michael and other people almost a year back in Pakistan. And that's when we start to build a bit relations and concepts like this type of activities we are doing now. So it's amazing to look back. This was less than a year. And of course, Amar and you all have done great things for many, many years, and see the ground there for what's happening now, because you can't do this overnight. It takes a lot of relational building and get contacts in other places. Otherwise, you can't grow and use the full potential of all the digital technologies and internet opportunities out there now. So you can connect like never before. And I think our philosophy is more to trying to find out that by listening in. We say listen, link, and learn. So do a lot of listening in to other people and organizations. Find out what their ambitions about, what the passion are, the purpose, and then try to support that, because then you start to find these mutual values that you could amplify together. And that's a process.
And you're doing awesome work, all of you. And I can much just agree with Bertol that the focus now is global. I've been in a couple of calls the latest 2 weeks here in Sweden, and some of them are not even aware that there are people outside Sweden doing similar work. So that's very important to connect people doing similar work in different countries. So that's my message. Just keep up going the global perspective on everything we do. So that's how we do it. And I think it's taken during this summer, much of the work we've been doing here, you, Amar, and Sadaf, and many others here, are fantastic to highlight the global journey of this. So, but this is the hard work we have to do to really focus on the global thing of this. So.
Thank you.
Mr.
Farooq Bab, are you there?
Iram Fawad and Iram Khan discussed ethnic product of that area can be connected to International Trade Organization and International Fashion Club. Tourism can also be promoted.
For inviting me over. First of all, पहले तो पूरे सरगोधा को मुबारक हो, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपकी इस काविश से। और हम खुद कुछ नहीं, अगर अमार जाफरी का सर पे हाथ ना हो तो हम खुद कुछ नहीं कर सकते। I guess जो अब हम इनिशिएटिव लेने जा रहे हैं, और yes, definitely Digital Academy Pakistan would like to have a good agreement with Amna Malik over there, Sargodha people, so that we can have something very nice with हमारी DAP को भी एक सरगोधा का बंदा चाहिए, और हम आपके साथ ये collaboration करना चाहेंगे. Plus, I'm always there.
I think congratulations for this amazing stuff which you guys are starting today. और इसमें मैं यही कहूँगी कि there are many people, who have been taking many different kind of initiatives, especially in this sector of digitalizing. और इसमें अम्मार साहब की काफ़ी contributions रही हैं over the years.
Sadaf Khan, CEO, SDG Academy and Commonwealth Club offered World Climate School courses for Pakistan and to initiate Smart Building and Smart City project as a pilot project in Sargodha.
So before they make me the co-host, I just want to briefly tell you, yesterday was our launch of the National Council of STDs Club. Again, we are making everything in a very systematic way so that people who want to join the STDs Academy of Pakistan through the National Council of STDs Club, they come and join us. We've just kept a very minimum fee of 1,000 rupees so that we get the data and we can link them on different development projects with them. We are launching the National Council of STG Club. We're calling it the NCS Club. And we've got some of the board of members and some of tomorrow, Moto Update Sir Amar, we're having other board members coming in. Mr. Amar Javri, of course, you all know.
Finally, CIT Global and Digital School was officially launched by Zareen Amar, chairperson CIT Global. This is a 5-year program to digitalize Sargodha and its districts and connect to the world. This project gives opportunities to unemployed labor to be skilled labor which can be required in various parts of the world, and unemployed youth to be self-employed to empower themselves through innovative business ideas and improved managerial skills to be well adjusted in the competing world.
Assalamu alaikum. This is my great honor and privilege to be here today at the launch of CIT Global. Let me inform all of you that CIT Private Limited Company was established 25 years ago with the aim and objective to impart quality education to the university graduates. CIT has been achieving its targets by imparting quality education, specialized courses, and initiating number of projects under ePakistan Vision 2025. One of these was women empowerment under the program Wi-Fi initiated by United Nations Organization UNAPCI-CT. Apart from this, CIT has initiated a number of projects which aim to empower the university students in different skills. And I am very hopeful that this initiative would add a lot of value to the existing efforts of the government of Pakistan and would help the student communities and university organizations to bring global best education to Pakistan. In the end, I would again thank Amna Malik and the team for initiating a wonderful initiative. Thank you very much.
Ms. Amna Malik, President GoPair, thanks to all speakers and participants of digital launch of Sargodha. She said soon we are launching digital Koshab, Mianwali, and Bakhkar.